court is important because people going into family court are dealing with real life-changing issues. Things like being able to see their children, being able to get the financial resources that they need in order to support their children, or for those who have a child support obligation, being able to adjust that if, say, for instance, they lose their job in the midst of a global pandemic. Those are issues that impact every segment of someone's life and that are really life-altering. And so those are the types of things that are dealt with day in and day out in family court. There are a lot of challenges to being in family court. Being in any court is difficult, even for trained litigators like me. If you are a pro se litigant representing yourself and trying to navigate the court system, it is incredibly difficult to do that. You have very little time in front of the judge. You may not understand the legal issues or the facts that you need to get out. And so what LIFT does, and LIFT is the only organization in the entire state of New York to do this, is to provide the guidance, the resources, and the legal advice to those pro se litigants so that they can successfully represent themselves in family court. We talk a lot about and we hear a lot about access to justice. And what that means is the ability to actually get resources and be able to get the relief that you need in a courtroom. It's really easy when you have a lawyer to walk into court and have that lawyer represent you and tell the court exactly what the judge needs to know in order for you to get whatever relief it is that you want. In family court, let's say you want to see your child, but you don't know what the legal standards are. You don't know what facts are important to the judge to make sure that you get those visitation rights. Those create huge barriers to being able to get that relief and being able to see your child. So what LIFT does is gives you those resources as a pro se litigant so that you remove those barriers and you're able to get that relief that you deserve and that you're seeking in court.